Good morning, you guys. It is a new week together, and we are going to make it a great week. So let's jump in. Echo me, the month is December. I know that Friday was the 4th, Saturday was the 5th, Sunday was the 6th. That means today is the 7th. It is 12 for December 7, 2020. Writing it out, it's going to be December 7th, 2020. Today is Monday. That makes yesterday Sunday. If yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time I saw you, we had been at school for 46 days. 46 plus one more. We still have 4 rods and 7 units. That means 47 days of school. Let's make 47 cents. Ready? 25, 35, 45, 46, 47. Alright, some of these words might be new to you. You need to make sure you know them. Day, good, new, first, May, right. Our number is 472. Look at your ones place. It's a 2. Does that make this number even or odd? Because of that 2, 472 is an even number. All right, I'm going to put it here and let's go backwards. 472, 471, 470. 469, 468, 467. All right, our number is 70. Okay? We are going to ignore the 100 less and do the 100 more. So add 100 here and you have 170. Let's get our two numbers, 870, 417. I know that 870 is greater than 417.